Hey y'all, all right, I'm back for day 2 for my sourdough. I showed you that she's bubbling and she's ready to go. So now I'm going to fix the camera down onto my table. All right, so I've got everything I need just kind of sitting here. I'm gonna take off my ring and my watch just because I don't like getting flour all over them. So I'll move them over here to the stove. All right, so I have just a bowl, just a medium-sized bowl, nothing special. So I'm gonna put my starter and water in here. And for this, I'm gonna need half a cup of my starter. So I'm gonna take my filter off of my container. Gonna give her a good stir. All right, and then I'm also going to put 1 1/4 cups of lukewarm water. Pour that in there. And we'll give it a little bit of a stir around. And then I'm going to put in 3 cups of flour. I'm using pink Himalayan salt, and I need 1 1/2 teaspoons. And I'm going to use a fork to mix it all together until it becomes just a kind of a stiff ball. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is cover this with my flour sack. Good enough. I'm gonna take my flour sack and cover it up and let it sit for, like I said, for about 30 minutes. And then after that, I'll stretch it a few times, form it into a ball, and then cover it. And at that point, it's gonna sit somewhere for about 12 hours. Usually let it sit overnight. So that's what I'm gonna do, just let it sit overnight. And then I'll come back tomorrow and finish making the bread. Okay, so 30 minutes has passed. So my rough dough looks like this. Now all I'm gonna do is stretch and fold it a few times, form a small little ball, and then cover it and let it sit for a little while longer. A nice ball, which is what I've got here. It's tough, it's a nice ball. And that is it. Cover and put in a warm place for about 12 hours. So in the morning, I will come back and finish it.